Amsterdam is known for its beautiful canals, unique architecture, but also for having a wild, naughty side, and today we'll explore both of them. As you leave the stunning central train station, you'll see Damrak, one of the city's main streets that goes all the way to Dam Square. You're surrounded by typical architecture and glass-topped tourboats straight away, and you'll pass by the former stock exchange and the Madame Tussauds Museum. The national monument stands out on the iconic Dam Square, and directly in front of it there's the Royal Palace and the new church. Now it's time to face a big dilemma. Turn right if you wanna be nice, or left if you're ready to be naughty. Let's be nice first. Start by going to Anne Frank's house, where the young Jewish writer hid from the Nazis. Nearby there's the beautiful West Church, which is the most important Protestant church. There's a lot to explore in the city's most charismatic features, the canals. Beautiful and colorful buildings, small bridges, unique floating houses, and people enjoying life by the canal makes Amsterdam an incredibly enchanting city. While you're in the area, take time to do a cruise through the canal ring. Definitely the best way to learn about its formation throughout the centuries and overall history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The three main ones have great shops, cute cafes, and vintage boutiques, especially around the 9th Street's neighborhood. Perfect for those who love architecture and authentic specialized shops. Carry on shopping in Kalverstraat, filled with the most well-known high street brands. You'll also find the Amsterdam Museum, where you'll know more about the city's past. At the end of this street we can find Spel, another legendary square known for its bookstores and weekly book market. The Amsterdam Flower Market is the only floating market of its kind in the world. The whole place is vibrant, colorful and fragrant, and you'll be able to find flowers in every size, shape and form. Bouquets, single flowers, bulbs and even wooden. Think of a particular type and you'll get it in one of the stalls. The Rembrandt Square is another important spot, and the large statue in his honor and the other ones representing his painting The Night Watch are absolutely striking. The Waterloo Plain Market is fantastic for those who love retro and alternative styles. There's hats, vinyl, books and antiques you didn't even know you needed, and also a quick appearance by our friend Mary Jane on some of the goods. Leeds Plain is a great area to have a drink, grab something to eat, or just have a cup of coffee, but for me it was simply the best place to buy local souvenirs. From the famous Dutch clocks in every possible color and size, bikes, mugs, windmills or anything quite essentially Dutch, including the iconic kissing couple that gained an important and progressive update. Hop on a tram and go to the museum district. Here you'll find the Moco Museum, the Museum Square with the famous I Amsterdam sign, the Rijksmuseum that has a wonderful art collection and several national treasures, and my personal pick, the Van Gogh Museum. Explore the several floors to get to know the painter on an artistic and personal level. I also love the Van Gogh Dreams installation, a sensory experience that takes us closer to the great mind of an artist completely devoted to his art. Amsterdam is a great place if you have a sweet tooth. You must try his famous stroop waffles. Cheese is also a big thing around here, with plenty of shops everywhere for you to satisfy your cravings. If you want to taste and know more about the history of Amsterdam's most famous beer, you must go to the original Heineken brewery. Now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's go wild. The red light district, it's definitely not a place for conservatives, and brothels, peep shows and strip clubs makes this one of the most liberated places on earth. You can also find the prostitution, erotic and the cannabis museum. The legendary coffee shops where you can buy and consume weed are everywhere, so be sure to check if it's the one you're in the mood for before you enter. You can find weed in every shape and form, and the edible ones are easily found at convenience stores, in cookies, brownies and lollipops. A safer and perhaps more comfortable option to those who are watching is to visit the Sex Museum on your way back to the train station. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.